Hi viewers, welcome to Universal. Thank you for watching. So it's a collective reading today. It won't be having any kind of options kind of thing. So don't look for time stamps. It's a collective reading. I will pull 3 cards. It is like past, present, future. Based on that 3 card, I will explain the situation. So the reading will continue by clarifying those cards. Okay. So whomever think that when you watch the situation, if you think that this situation is matching with the energy with your situation and that energy is matching with you, the messages are resonating with you, you can watch this collective reading so that it will help you to understand the situation in a better level, or I can say that what to do in that situation, what kind of steps you need to take, what kind of outcome you will get in that situation. So it will help you in that way. Okay. So if at all you think that situation is matching, then only you can watch, or else no need to watch, because when it is not matching, why you are going to waste your time. Okay. Until unless you want to watch for time pass. So let's see. Let's pull some 3 cards, which is going to give the situation. I think we got 3 cards. So based on the situation, I think so here the zodiac signs are Aquarius, Cancerian and Libra, or it is earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. So based on this situation, I think here I am sensing 2 energies, not just 1 energy, or 3 energies. Here the Fool energy is completely different energy, and the High Priestess is different energy, and the 6 of Pentacles is completely different. So take the messages as it resonates. Here in this situation, 3 people are there. These 3 people are involved in this situation. We will clarify how they related to each other. So when it comes to this Fool card, this person is very free, very carefree person, or careless person, adventurous person, not in a bad way. Careless means not in a bad sense. It is like they are ready to see the new things, ready to take the adventurous kind of journey, ready to walk into the unknown kind of thing. They don't worry, they don't need all the facts and everything to move forward, because this person is ready to explore their world. I can say explore the things. It is like a child spirit or free-minded person, free-spirited person, and I think here they don't have any kind of baggages. They are very pure-hearted person. That is also one reason they don't care about anything. They simply move forward in their life, or wherever they go, it is one way. It is like they enjoy their journey. It is, if at all we call life is a journey, this person love to enjoy that journey without caring about anything negative, like jealousy, anxiety, tensions, what will happen tomorrow, what will happen next day, what will happen on it, who is enemy, who is friend. They don't care about all those things, or I can say that they don't spend their time on all those things. They simply enjoy the life as it comes. They won't have any expectations. They won't expect anything from anyone. Moreover, I think this person won't give chance to others also to expect something from them, because this person don't keep baggages. They are very free. If at all having also very little baggage, this bag is very little. So I can say that this person is very good at let go of the things. That is also one reason they can easily move forward, and they can ready to take the risk, ready to explore the things in a new way, or they are ready to see the things in a different perceptions. That kind of energy. Very free spirited person. Okay, very light, free spirited, very friendly, and very pure person. Okay, and here it is High Priestess in the reverse. This person intuition is completely blocked. This person may be very intuitive person, or see here, either this someone existed, or here I'm not getting someone existed, because that is also one reason I'm telling. It is revealing the secret kind of thing. Okay, there is some secrets in these two energies, I can say. If at all in this situation, just for few people, if really some third person is involved in this situation, that is nothing but High Priestess, who is now completely blocked their intuition, or I can say that completely blocked their intuition. They are not listening to their intuition. They are simply I don't think logically they are thinking. It is like their intuition is completely blocked. They are not actually. High Priestess is like intuitive person who can know the things intuitively, but here their intuition is completely blocked. That is also reason maybe related to this person secrets are coming out because of this blocking intuition, I can say. And here one more energy is Six of Pentacles in the reverse. This person is very generous person, but because of not maintaining equal give and take, or over generous, I can say, or overly giving, caring nature, this person without thinking they give lot more than what they need to. It is like they need to maintain the balance, but this person did not thought about it, so now they end up in a broke situation. They are in a broke situation, I can say. Even I'm saying broke situation, it doesn't mean that financially they broke. It is like emotional sense, or I can say that they lost their generosity. They are no more generous towards giving to people, or they are no more giving anything to anyone, because they don't have anything. Where this person is very generous, very helping, mostly in the sense of materialistic things. They used to share, they used to help people who are in need, who need their help. But here, this person need to be a little bit careful when they are giving who is right person to take that opportunity, take that help. But this person did not maintain that equal give and take. That is also one reason they end up in the Six of Pentacles, which is nothing but broke energy. Now this person don't have anything to share with others. Okay. Now it is different. If it is love, if it is Pentacles, if it is simple care, caring towards others, helping others. They are not in a situation to help someone, I can say. Okay. In the past, they may be very helpful person. They used to help everyone, but because of that, now they end up in a position where they cannot help anyone. Now it is completely depends on them whether they lost their time. Now they don't have time to help anyone, or they lost their generosity because people took advantage of them. It is nothing but Six of Pentacles in the reverse is nothing but people took advantage of this nature. That nature is generous nature, who is very loving, caring, who understand people, who try to help people. But now this person is not in a position. Okay, even though they want to help also, they are not in a position to help someone. That kind of energy. So let's see the clarifications. Then we will understand whether this energy is really physically existed someone, or simply these people are having any kind of different messages for that. Okay, so first let's clarify the Fool card. This person is very immature person. This person is very confident, they have that confident, passion, brave kid kind of person, but they misused it. Their energies, they completely misused their energy. When it came to Fool energy, it is like, when clarify the Fool energy, this person is completely an immature person. They acted in the situation like a fool without thinking about the consequences. Okay, maybe that person is very adventurous person. That is also one reason they took the chances, whatever comes in there. Obviously they need to be ready to face the things. If at all they are matured enough to face, they can face it. But here this person is, whoever this is Fool energy, they are very immature person. They don't know how to use their communication skills, they don't know how to use their passion, they don't know how to use their confident energy or bravery. This person simply misused it. Either they may be gossip about someone, or they involved in such energies which is not good. Like they involved in such actions where they told lot of lies. This person, it is like telling lies. They told lot of lies, or one way, or they created lot of rumors which are not right, which are not correct, or it is kind of gossiping. I think because of their lies, someone lost their pentacles, I can say here, because King of Pentacles in the reverse. Either they lost someone in their life who is like a King of Pentacles, very stable energy, because these two energies are completely different. This person is very mature person, this person is very immature, like kid. Page is kid, this is king. So because of their lies, because of their misuse of communication, because of their misuse of passion, because of their misuse of bravery, misuse of their confidence, they lost, this King of Pentacle lost that money, finances. They become unstable. Or I can say, they lost their ground also. One way, this person maybe had some kind of stability in their life, which is financially very strong stability. Now they don't have. Actually, this person don't have. Someone is supporting them financially. This King of Pentacle is their support, financial supporter. Maybe this person, these people belongs to a family. They are in a family. Because of their lies, because of their misuse of their immaturity, I can say, misuse of their child spirit. It is not child spirit, it is like immaturity. Okay, they don't know how to use these things. Even though they are kids, they have very good, even though they are not that mature, but still they hold some passion, still they hold courage. Not courage, it is like brave and confident, but they misused it everything, and they simply lied, and because of that they lost this King of Pentacle energy in their life now, because of that lies. Maybe they used to, let's clarify this again next time. First we will see the high priestess energy. Here as of now situation is this person, because of this person's lies, whatever they told everything lie. Now people are not believing them, even their own family is not believing them, not trusting them. That is also one reason they are not supporting financially. Okay, that is the situation as of now, because of this foolish nature. Let's see now, let's clarify this high priestess in the reverse. So here someone existed in the physically, 3 people are there. So this person is in the position of high priestess, but as of now they are not using their intuitive skills, I can say. There is a reason why they are not using. They are completely, their intuition is blocked, they are not using their intuition. Okay, the thing is, this person is having a lot of options in their life. They have a lot of options, or I can say they are working on something where they become very busy. This person is very mature person. They have a lot of wisdom, they have a lot of knowledge and a lot of opportunities, very abundant person, or I can say that there are so many options in their life, what in a career wise or in the sense of relationship wise. They have a lot of options in their life, so they can do anything. But here they are working on something very seriously, I can say, are busy. They became focused on only one thing, where that is also one reason now this person is not using their intuition. Okay, their intuition is blocked because of this confusion, either because 7 of Cups is one kind of confusion card. So they have a lot of opportunities around them. Here I'm not sensing that they are taking the note of all the opportunities, because this person is simply working with one thing in a different level. They are very mature person, so we cannot simply say that well matured person is disturbed by all these things. Actually, the thing is, this person is working on something and these things are there around them which can distract them, but still they are not getting distracted by all these things. They are simply concentrated on this and they are working on something. They have a lot of wisdom, lot of experience, that kind of energy. Okay, they are working on something different. These all are like money, some kind of luxury, this palace, this rainbow. They are not interested in all those things. They are interested in these stars. Maybe they are having some different goal which they are working. That is also one reason, even though they have a lot of option around them, they are not getting distracted by all these things. Or I can say, till now this person is very secretive to the people, where they cannot understand, or where they don't know what this person is doing, what they are working on. Now people are able to see the things, because High Priestess in the reverse, nothing but visible. The secrets are get revealed, so people can know that what they are working on, that kind of energy. And this person, whoever this High Priestess, they have someone in their life. This person know it or not, because their intuition is completely blocked, or they are not using their intuition. Okay, because they are completely working on something, and someone want to offer this cup of love to them. Someone is having love for them, they want to offer this cup of love to them. 2 people are there here. One is young person who want to offer their cup of love to this High Priestess, and one is 10 of Wands energy, who is having a lot of burdens in their shoulders, but now they kept all the burdens, they drop all the burdens, and now they want to come towards this person, or they just, whomever this high priestess is dealing, there are two people, or I can say three people, because that can also possible. One person is completely in the different journey. One person is young person. This person is very wise. This person is young person who want to offer their cup of love, and this person is having lot of burdens. Now they want to put all the burdens. They want to drop all the burdens. Okay. Now see who is this Six of Pentacles. Let's clarify the Six of Pentacles energy. So when it comes to Six of Pentacles energy, whoever that generous person whom they lost the generous nature, this person needs some healing. This person lost their patience because they are not in a good situation as of now. They are broke situation, whether it is a financially broke, whether it energetically broke. Like energetically also they don't have anything to share, because as I said, they gave more than what they need to. That is also one reason now they end up with no energy. That kind of also, because they are not ready to fight. They are not ready to wait. They are not interested to wait for anything, having patience, waiting, having long-term goals. It is like losing their passion. They lost their passion, I can say. They are not showing any interest towards anything. Whatever work they are doing also, currently if they are working on some projects also, they are not showing interest on those projects. They are simply left that passion, I can say, or they lost that passion, and they are not showing any patience, passion towards that work. Simply as simple as that. If this person is waiting for something in their life, now they are no more waiting for it, because now they don't have patience. They lost their patience. So here they lost something. They lost their patience. Now they don't want to fight with anything, fight with for anything, anyone or anything, because they lost that courage. They lost that passion. One kind of passion only. We need that fire energy. They don't have that fire in themselves as of now, at least in this current energy. That is also one reason they don't want to fight. They don't want to go against anyone. They don't want to have any kind of battle. They don't want to protect anything. They are not ready for the fight. Okay, they are in a give up situation. They gave up. They don't want to wait. They gave up because of this energy. They lost everything. They don't want to do anything in this situation, I can say. Okay, they need healing. Maybe they are going to heal, or they are healing, I can say. Maybe that is also one reason. This person is going through healing process. That is also one reason they are not in a position to take charge about their goals, career goals, or whatever goals they may be having. Mostly it is passionate card, business related card, who can have long-term ambitions kind of thing. They are not having anything as of now, maybe because of this healing. They are going through some healing because they need to learn how to balance the things. Here this guardian angel is balancing two cups. Here they don't know how to balance it. Now they are in this healing. They are learning how to balance, how to maintain that equal give and take. Okay, that kind of energy. So here I think High Priestess is having different people, three people, or at least in their energy, three people with the different energies. And here I am sensing only one energy, because this person is not ready for anything. They just want healing, and they are doing a good thing because they need to balance the scales, because they lost that balance. Now they are in this healing process. They are nothing but they are balancing the things, or they try to get that balance again, so that they will learn in that process. They will learn how to maintain equal give and take, that energy. Okay. And here I think this, now I am getting message why this high priestess in the reverse is, this high priestess blocked their intuition because they don't want to deal with these people. They have these energies, or I can say that we all know that high priestess is some kind of secretive card, I can say, or they are very intuitive person. One way they are psychic. They are completely blocked all the energies. That is also one reason now this person is not using intuition. Okay, they are not connected to anyone. But there are people in their life. Either this person is working on something. That is also one reason. They don't want to get disturbed by anything. That is also one reason they blocked the intuition, not entertaining anyone. And here this Fool card is nothing but this person, because of their immaturity, they lost money, or at least they lost that supporter who is financially supporting them, who is their family member. Whether they may be father figure, because King of Pentacles is nothing but a father, and Page is nothing but a child, and it is a family card. They lost their father's support. Maybe they told some kind of lies because they are a fool. They want to do some adventurous things. So obviously parents don't accept. So that is also one reason they try to do it. They told some lies to get that money. Now this person lost all that money, or at least they stopped giving money to this person. Any situation. Okay, take the messages as it resonates. Here I want to pull what will be the outcome for this person. Okay, as of now it is current situation. So let's see what will be the outcome for this person who is Page of Wands situation, or Fool situation, I can say. So let's see outcome of the situation for this Fool card. And outcome of the situation for the High Priestess in the reverse. Let's see the outcome for this Six of Pentacles energy in the reverse. So for this Fool card, the outcome is see, now I explain complete story. Here I am not getting the conclusion. As of now I am getting current situation and very near future, I can say. Okay. So in the past, this person, or actually this person is very immature person, as we know, the Fool card. They misused all their energies. Because of that, they lost this great stability, which is nothing but materialistically very well balanced person, very grounded. Maybe they had very grounded energy in their family. Like as I said, it is a family figure kind of thing. Because of this person's immaturity, because of their lies and all, they lost this stability in their life. Okay, or I can say that maybe this person, whoever they are, father figure or father kind of father figure who used to help them financially, they are now end up in a broke situation, or they are not giving them any one situation, whether they are not giving them because it is in the reverse, or even this person also end up broke, lost all this money because of this person immature behavior. So here we see this 10 of Cups card, which is very happy card. But here the outcome for this person is, because of their actions, they are going to lose their family situation. Maybe this person is not going to entertain that person in their life. That is also one reason. Here 4 of Wands is in the reverse card. That means this person is going to lose their family or home, I can say, because 4 of Wands is one kind of home card. So they are going to lose their family, or if at all they are dealing with partner, they are going to come out of that family situation, I can say, or partnership. I think maybe obviously it is a 10 of Cups, means very happy card, but here sun is in the reverse. That means because of this situation, whatever actions they did in the past, because of their immature actions, it all happened. This situation happened. This full energy. They lost their happiness, I can say. They lost their energy, they lost their happiness, they lost their confidence, some kind of gloominess, because obviously because they are away from their family member now. They are no more in this family. Whatever help they used to receive, now they are not with anything. Maybe at least this person thought that if at all not with this King of Pentacles kind of stability, they may be expected little bit like a Page of Pentacles, like either in the relationship sense, it is like a father figure. When it comes to Page of Pentacles, it is like a friend, normal, casual friend kind of thing. But even that person lost that also. Maybe this person is completely out from this family, I can say, because of their immaturity. Here, not just immaturity, maybe they did something. Maybe they told some lies which made this king to lose all their stability. That especially in the sense of materialistic things, that grounding nature, that stability they lost because of this immaturity, because of this person's immaturity. So they ended with the family. They are separated from that family. They are going to feel gloomy. Obviously, when they come out of it, they may be expected at least friendship kind of thing, but they are not going to get it because they need to mature. They need to get mature. How can someone can trust them again when this happened? Because this person lost their stability. It is family card, which is very grounded, stable card. But because of this stupidness, or I can say, or immaturity, lies, rumors, gossips, they lost everything. That stability, that ground is shaken, I can say. That they lost that ground. So now this person, remove this person from this family situation. Now they are no more that related to that family, and they are feeling sad for that. They expected, maybe they are going to expect some kind of at least friendship, but they are not going to get that also. Okay, so for full energy, whoever this immature person, this is the outcome. Now let's see for the High Priestess energy, what will be the outcome. So now when it comes to High Priestess, outcome is, I think this High Priestess is the same person who is working with something. That is also one reason they blocked their intuition, because they don't want to deal with anyone, or they don't want to involve with anything. They don't want to get distracted, I can say, because there are so many energies in their life, especially these two energies, and they are working on something. and they have a lot of distractions, I can say. One way, they don't want to get distracted. It is like one scientist is working on something. They are building something where they forget about everything. They even cut themselves from the world, that kind of energy. So finally, I think this person is going to complete that work. That is also one reason they are coming into their Queen of Wands energy, where they will going to enjoy their 3D life, I can say, because it is a 7 of Cups is one kind of spirituality card. So that is also one reason this person is not at all having connections with 3D world, I can say. They are completely focused in 5D world. Finally, they are completing it and they are coming into their Queen of Wands energy, who is very passionate, who is loving, caring, passionate, ambitious, courageous, that kind of very confident person. Okay, I think this person is going to have new beginning with this Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups, as I said, this person is maybe they know it, because it is in the reverse. There is no secrets in this situation. Two people they have in their life. One is the Knight of Cups energy, one is 10 of Wands energy, who is dropping their burdens, I can say. That 10 of Wands burden they are dropping. They came into this Page of Cups energy, means when they drop these burdens, they understood the feelings. Maybe this energy, when they are in this energy, they are not in a position to feel what is love, what is emotion, what is feelings, kind of thing. Now they are going to feel all those things. But the thing is here, this person is going to start new beginning with this Knight of Cups energy. This person need to heal lot of things. Maybe that is also one reason why this Queen of Wands is going to reject this cup, because it is in the reverse. They are not going to accept this cup. They are going to accept this cup. They will be having new beginning with Ace of Pentacles. It is not a very big, stable, long-term kind of thing. It is long-term but not very huge beginning kind of thing. It is like maybe business partnership or partnership but not committed marriage kind of thing immediately. Maybe it will start in the slow. Yeah, this person need to heal. They kept the burdens, no matter what age they may be. They drop all their burdens, 10 of Wands energy, and they try to understand the things. Maybe they got feelings for this High Priestess. They got some emotions, feelings, love kind of feelings. But the thing is here, they need to heal their heart. Maybe this person have a lot of baggages, not just because of this responsibilities. This is nothing but one kind of responsibilities, holding lot of responsibilities on their shoulders. Because of that, this person never concentrated on the cup. Maybe this person is okay in the passionate matters, but they never concentrated on feelings, emotions, love kind of thing, deep emotions, deep bondings. That is also one reason why this person is going to reject this person, because they need to heal lot. They need to release their baggages. They need to heal this heart chakra. If something happened, it is like if they have any kind of childhood wounds, they need to heal all those things. Until unless they won't complete that healing, they won't heal their heart chakra. Not this person, no one is going to accept this cup of love. At least if they accept also, they need to deal with lot of things. They are going to get suffered, or this person also going to get suffered, because this person need healing. See how different it is. When it comes to Wands, that means 3D level, they are looking like a 50-60 years old person. But when it comes to emotions, emotional matters, they are like a kid. That means they cannot handle this love, feelings, emotions. This person is okay in the young age person kind of. Knight of Cups is young, we all know that, but not very stable energy, but they need time to get stability. It is completely depend on whom they are dealing with. And this Queen of Wands is passionate card, so that is also one reason this energies may going to match. They are going to get some new beginning in their life. So now let's move to this 6 of Pentacles energy. What is the outcome for this Six of Pentacles? Very good energy. So Six of Pentacles person is finally coming as a manifestor, I can say, or magician. This person, whoever this Six of Pentacles, they lost because of their generous nature, because of not handling things in a equal give and take manner. But finally they got balanced, I can say. That is also one reason why they show up as a magician. They completely healed. Here they don't have passion. They lost passion towards their career related matters, especially ambition, goals, all. They are going to get that again once this healing will be completed. Once they get that balance again in their life, they are going to have a lot of new beginnings. Eight of Wands is nothing but some kind of new beginnings in the passionate area. That can be in the sense of passion towards relationships or passion towards career goals, where they want to pursue a lot of things, career wise, career goals, career ambitions, that kind of. They will see some success because they are going to have a lot of beginnings in that area, passionate energy. And I think they may be dealing with some kind of conflicts in the past also. That is also one reason it is in the reverse. They don't want to deal with anything because they understood that they need healing. Now also, after healing also, they don't want to fight with anyone. They want to end the situation, whatever it may be, whether it come into their favor or not their favor. They don't want to get involved in that kind of conflicts. They are not even interested to involved in that kind of conflicts, I can say. And whatever healing they are going on, now they maybe know it or not, but this healing is helping them to become this magician, which is nothing but they can manifest anything. Here they lost the balance. Here they completely in balance. They have all the four elements: the wand, the cup, the sword, and the pentacle. So they can easily manifest anything. This person is becoming a manifestor, I can say, or a magician who can achieve whatever they want. And I think here they are going to use it in a balanced way because they learn the lessons. This lesson they learned in this healing. They balanced their emotions or whatever need to be balanced, because this person is completely lost their balance. They completely got the balance again back because of this healing. That is also one reason why. And moreover, see, they are not even now after healing, they are not involving themselves in that kind of conflicts, which is not good for their mental health, or which is not necessary. Maybe in the past this person don't know all those things. They maybe used to get involved in all those things. That is also one reason. Nine of Wands is in the reverse. Maybe this person is very stubborn, like ready for the fight kind of energy. But after losing this balance, they said no. There is no energy, I can say here. Nine of Wands is nothing but losing that energy, passion. It is like a warrior card who is very much ready to fight. Now they are not interested. Now they are not interested in career also. But after healing, they are having some new beginnings in their career. They are not entertaining any kind of conflicts, and they are not involving themselves in any kind of conflicts, and they are coming into a magician energy where they can manifest anything, whatever they want in their life. So I don't know whom they are, because here are completely three different energies. Why we got completely different energies? It is not one kind of situation, because last time when I did, it was a situation. One person from something to something they became. Here I don't think so because here are completely different energies. Here completely different energies. Maybe whomever watch, I can say that these three energies, in this three energy, one energy will match with you. If at all other energies also involved in your life, it will like a information for you what is going to happen, because this energy is not even related to this High Priestess, and this High Priestess is not related to. But here one thing is there. What is, we all knows that High Priestess goes with Hierophant or magician. That is what I am getting, because Here this high priestess is there, lot is happening in their life, they are working on something, finally they became wands, maybe they are going to enjoy. It is like here this person is working, they are completely cut from the 3D world, 3D related enjoyments kind of thing, that love, whatever related to 3D world, okay, but they will be having new beginnings in their life. It came under the Knight of Cups, that is a good sign, great sign that they are going to start something with this Knight of Cups, but it is, as we said, it is not completely committed card, okay, but here we see this Magician. This Magician can easily go with this High Priestess. So I can say that here in this reading, I don't know this whole energy, how they are going to match, but High Priestess is going to end up with this Magician, and Magician is going to get this High Priestess. Now, after watching this reading, you can match your energies, what is your energy and how it is related. Here I got some relation like High Priestess and this Six of Pentacles energy. Now they are dealing with their own lives. Maybe these people also know about it or not, that they are going to end up, that this person is becoming a magician. It is a great thing. And this person is full energy, they are going to end up with nothing as of now regarding our reading. No one will end up with nothing for a whole life, right? We will be having some new beginnings after learning the lessons. Maybe this person need to learn some lessons, they need to go through some karma, because whatever they did, it is a very wrong thing. They should not misuse those energies, because people trusted them. This person, especially this person, trusted them, this family trusted them, and they simply lost that trust. Because of that, they lost that family situation, they lost their happiness, they lost their money. Completely zero, with zero I can say, but it's okay. When karma, we need to go through some karma, it is very important for us to lose everything. So once learning the lessons, they will also have some new beginning with someone. Here I am not going to clarify it, it will go on. So this is the reading. So here I can match only two people, who is Six of Pentacles and who is High Priestess, because this person is still working and this person also still working on their healing. Both people are completely, whether they know it or not, because here I am not sensing in High Priestess energy, I am not sensing this Six of Pentacle energy. That is also one reason. Maybe this person still not dealing with this Six of Pentacle energy. They need to get this High Priestess, they need to become this Magician. And I think this person still working on something. That is also one reason why they are blocked their intuition to stop dealing with all these people, because they are intuitive, they can sense people's energies, they can like read people energies, and they can access people energies, which is very disturbing. No, energy readers cannot handle it, especially when they are working on something. All the energies will disturb them. So this is the reading. I hope at least for some people it will resonate, because three different energies, obviously it is not one single situation, it is completely different, three energies. At least one energy is going to match you. So thank you for watching. For more readings you can like and subscribe. For personal readings you can mail me. You will find the details in description box.